No daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet or 56 meters high. Its crestline, 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. And a recent notable rock fall. In 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridal Veil Falls. The smallest among the three waterfalls, it is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridal Veil Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridal Veil Falls is 181 feet or 55 meters, and remains the smallest waterfall compared to its two counterparts. Line, 2,200 feet or 670 meters wide. And the depth of the river at the base of the falls, 184 feet or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
It is raining and it's windy. Fresh out. Good job, good job. getting wet with me?
Feet are getting wet.
Your feet are getting wet?
Yeah.
Oh dear me. What are we gonna do?
Put your phone in here.